Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that frustrating product activation failed error in Microsoft Office on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. We've all been there, staring at that message in Excel, unable to get any work done. First, you'll want to head over to this PC and then open up your local disk C. Inside, you'll find a folder called Program Files. Double-click it to open it up. Now, within Program Files, look for the Microsoft Office folder. Here's where it can get a little tricky. You are looking for a folder named Office 16. However, this number might be different depending on which version of Office you have installed. It could be Office 15, Office 17, or something else entirely. Just open the folder that corresponds to your Office version. Inside this folder, you should see a file. It's called OSPPREARM-X. Found it? Great! Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Windows will probably ask you to confirm. Just click Yes. Now, here's the important part. Repeat this process for 3 times in total. Okay, once you've done that 3 times, go ahead and restart your computer. And see the magic. I really hope this works for you. If it does, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.